Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to play and win. So white's pawn is moving forward in this direction, and we have a rook and a bishop while black has two connected rocks, and if we didn't play the right move, black is going to get the advantage and get the draw. So you can pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So now this pawn is moving forward in this direction, but for now we cannot promote the pawn, right? Because black is going to play rook to g1 check and win the queen, and black is now fine, and we have to save our rook. I mean, we have to save our bishop. We have to put the bishop somewhere like this, and this is a draw if white plays the correct moves. So pushing the pawn to the promotion square is not going to make us the winner. And the fact is, if you try to defend your pawn like this doesn't work either, because black is going to play rook to g1, and now black is going to play a move like this, and black may try to double the rocks and just attack the pawn, and even in this position black can capture the pawn. Is still fine for the black, and this is not a win for white actually. So we cannot afford losing this pawn, right? So this pawn is our main resource here, and if we get this, if we make this pawn a queen, actually we can win the game even if we lose the bishop, right? So the pawn here is more important than the bishop. So what should we do? What should the move then? Defending does not guarantee anything, because black is going to simply capture the pawn anyway, and black is still fine with only a rook. So what should be then the move? And we have this move, bishop to b6, but that square is defended. That would prevent the black rook from moving to g1, but that is completely defended. So how should we do this? Well, the correct move is actually bishop to b6. Yes, it is defended by two pieces, but it doesn't matter. That is the correct move. So the reason is, first off, if black captures the bishop with the rook, we are going to play g8 and make a queen, and this is simply a win, right? So this is actually a win for white, so white is winning. So if black promotes, I mean, if black captures the bishop with the king, what we are going to do is sacrifice a second piece, rook to b2 check, and this forces the black to capture with the rook, and we are going to capture black's rook, and now see the rook cannot get to the pawn, right? So the pawn is safe to be promoted. So what can black do in this position? Obviously black cannot reach the pawn, right? And if black ignores the sacrifice and simply just move the king away, we are going to capture black's rook, and then when black captures, we are going to get a queen, and that is enough to win, right? A queen against a rook is simply completely winning, and this is going to be the solution. So for recap, first we are going to play bishop to b6, and then after black captures the bishop with the king, notice we are threatening to promote here, right? Since there would be no rook to g1 check, we are threatening to promote here. So black must capture the bishop or do something, otherwise we are going to promote on the next move, and we would still have an extra bishop, right? So if black captures with the king, we are going to play rook to b2 check and capture black's rook, and we are going to play and win the game. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.